homework handouts out. Let's take a look at those together, and then we will take a quiz over reducing radicals. If you would hold your handout up so that I can see it, and that it is completed. Yes, the front side. Thank you there, Brecken. All right. He didn't actually turn around. I just like picking on him. All right, let's go and take a look at our answers here. And number 1, Maddie, what was your answer? 2 times the square root of 3. Number 2, Noah. 3 times the square root of 2. Number 3, Brecken. 2 times the cube root of 3. Good. Number 4, Maddie, there's some variables to deal with now. Number 4, what'd you get? 5x times the square root of 2x. Number 5, Noah.
2y z squared times square root of 2x squared y squared z.
I think that's a cube root of 2x squared y squared z. That would be correct. 2yz squared times the cube root of 2x squared y squared z. Number 6, Brecken.
2x cubed times the square root of 5x.
Good. 2x cubed times the square root of 5x. Number 7, Maddie. The square root of 3 over 3. Noah, number 8. Square root of 6 over 4. If you left an answer as the square root of 24 over 8, you didn't finish reducing the 24. But the best way would be to multiply top and bottom by 2, not by 8. Number 9, Brecken.
The square root of 5 over 4.
Yeah, that was super easy because the denominator was already a square. We didn't have to multiply by anything. Just leave the square root of 5 and write the 4. Great job. Number 10, Maddie. The square root of 5. Number 11, Noah. The square root of 3a. And number 12, Brecken. 11. Yeah, we knew that in elementary school. All right, was anyone 12 for 12? You got them all correct. Number 5 was 2yz squared times the cube root of 2x squared y squared z. Do we need to see that one worked out? All right, let's take a look at it real quick. So we have the cube root of 16x squared y to the 5th z to the 7th. Brecken, first of all, of course, we had to factor the 16. Now, if this were a square root of 16 class, 4, I'm done, right? The number's easy. Since it's a cube root of 16 and you can't take the cube root of 16, we've got to factor it into, and I'm going to keep the letters for now. Now, taking care of the number, we take the cube root of the to get, and we leave the in the cube root in the radicand. Then we come to the letters, and how many times does this go into that, then into that, then into that? I'm sorry?
So if it's x squared on the inside.
Right, we're going to leave the x squared on the inside. Well, y squared on the inside, right? 3 goes into 5 once with 2 left over. There we go. What was your answer, Brecken?
2x squared. So I didn't put the x squared on the inside.
You took the x squared out instead of leaving it on the inside. Does that make sense now? All right, any other questions at all on that part of the homework? All right, before we take the quiz, let's take a look at the word problem real quick and read that for us if you would, Brecken.
Sum of the digits of a certain two-digit number is 15. The number is 3 less than 8 times the unit digit. What is the number?
All right, how did you represent your first equation, Brecken? Good, t plus u, the sum of the two digits, t and u, is 15. How did you set up your second equation? There we go, the number, 10t plus u, is 3 less than 8 times the unit's digit. Did you have this system as well? All right, and you solve, and what'd you get for your final answer, Brecken?
I didn't do it right.
Ah, I did not do it right. So you didn't have the system correct? You did it just now, just fine. What happened last night?
I used 10t plus u equals 15.
Oh, okay, so you were kind of in love with the 10t plus u. T is the digit, 10t is the value of the digit in the number itself. So, what should we do here?
You should bring the u, I believe, 7u.
All right, then what?
And then you, bring the 7u over as a negative. And multiply the top by 7.
So 7t, 7u, and this comes out to 105. And of course that'll allow the u's to cancel. We'll add the t's to get 17t. Add the negative 3 to the 105 to get 102. And that does divide evenly to get t equals... What was your tens digit, folks? We didn't do it either? What happened? You had said you had the right system, correct? Did we not solve it? How do we not know the tens digit? Okay, I'm not going to waste my time anymore. 6. You plug it in, you get u equals 9, the number is 69. Don't sit there with a stupid look on your face. Answer the question. How many had 69? What happened? Talk. I need speech.
Somehow I got 17u equals 150.
150.
Yeah, so I think it was
Okay. So did you multiply the top by a 7?
I don't think so.
Or did you multiply top by 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so you would have had 10t plus 10u equals, that would have been 150. You would have had to change the signs to get the t to drop out. Okay, so maybe u equals 9. Okay, Maddie? 153. Okay, so again, 17t or 17u? 17u equals 153. Okay, so yeah, you would have gotten u equals 9 then. Ah, okay. Because this is correct, and then when you divide both sides by the 17, that's where we end up with the 9. So, and then once you get the 9, that would have gotten the t is 6. Okay, questions? Just be careful. Just finish it. Be careful with the division there, and whatever it is you did. All right, clear your desk except for a sheet of paper and a pencil. Sheet of paper and a pencil. Everything else, oh wait. First last name at the top of your paper along with today's date, which is 4/30. 4/21. 4/30. 21. Nice little bitty quiz today. Very straightforward. You've got 12 radicals. Reduce them. 12 radicals. Reduce them.